Hello. In this video, you will learn how to retexture in MidJourney. The Retexture feature of MidJourney allows you to modify the texture, material, or surface appearance of objects in your images while maintaining their original shape and composition. It's like giving your images a whole new look. To retexture an image, first click the Edit button. Then select the Retexture option. Now, upload your base image to MidJourney. For example, let's transform a 2D vector airport map into a 3D animated style. In the prompt, write a brief description of the image and specify the new texture or material you want. Here is the 3D anime-style airport map view. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can retexture your image. Happy creating! Thank you for watching.